Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera on Telegram. If you're experiencing issue with the camera on Telegram, try the following steps to fix it. First, you need to restart the Telegram app. First, open it and simply close it off. And these simple steps can often resolve minor issues. You could also check the camera permissions. What you have to do is press Telegram like this, go to the app information and select the permissions option. And over here, what you see is there's a not allowed option. There's a camera option as well. Tap on that and click on this option that says allow only while using the app. And this will allow the camera permissions on your Telegram and ensure that the Telegram has permissions to access your device's camera on Android. Or you could also try updating your Telegram app. Go to the Play Store, look out for the Telegram app, and make sure you're using the latest version of the Telegram installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve camera issues. Or you could also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart of your device can resolve camera issues as well. And if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app. This can help resolve any software related issues. And if none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a more complex problem with your device or the Telegram app. And in that case, you may need to contact Telegram support for further assistance. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to fix camera on Telegram. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.